Guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV Market with another exciting video. So it's so amazing and so funny that over 2 months after the presidential election, His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi still make a lot of amazing moves whenever he's spotted in the public. Well, over the weekend he was at this particular wedding and you could not believe how matured people lose their home training at this particular wedding just to welcome His Excellency and chant the regular obedient songs of all kind. Anyway, I will not waste too much time talking. Watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment below.
Going.
What's the law?
Vodi way. No be only senators they wear Vodi. We will be upcoming.
Real upcoming.
We did the list.
Upcoming indeed.
Now presidency the man.
Yes, sir.
Nice one.
That's good.
It's lit, right?
Yeah.
Very fitted.
Now money remain now. The body don't day now money.
You don't pass this one.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Vodi way. You feel am?
I feel that. Yes, sir.
Choco.
Yes, sir.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it has to now. Nice fabric. The embroidery.